12 ways smart people make time for what's important. Have you ever had that feeling that if only there were more hours in the day, life would be so much different? We'd travel to places we've always dreamed of visiting. Maybe an exotic beach or a majestic mountain range yet. No matter how hard one searches, time remains elusive and its true value cannot easily be measured, something which has been confirmed by humanity throughout history. Despite this reality, however, living each moment as though it is your last will ensure a sense of fulfillment beyond any other reward. 12. They don't wake up late. In the past, people embraced the idea of waking up late and taking it as a sign of luxury, while now it is not very much viewed that way. It is believed that when you wake up early, there are multiple benefits linked to it that can make you more productive immediately. However, there is more to it if you want to maximize your productivity. Setting on a pattern for regularity. Studies show that when people become consistent with their schedules and wake up around the same time every day, their body clock adapts to their life for better efficiency and control over any possible sleep deprivation or insomnia. Sure, sleeping in a couple of extra hours on the weekend can sound like a great idea, but it only causes more disruption to this rhythm, resulting in trouble getting up in the morning. Truly counterproductive. 11. They don't procrastinate. Rather than allowing procrastination to steal their time and prevent them from doing the right things at the right time, those who don't procrastinate stay on top of tasks and complete them with ample time to spare. This way they can triple check that they executed the task correctly and can maintain a clear sense of structure in their life. No more panicked 11 p.m. nights trying desperately to piece together an assignment before its deadline kicks in. Instead, it's an orderly process that no longer incites fear or anxiety. All these benefits make opting out of procrastination a clear winner, but only if we can muster up the discipline required to succeed. 10. They fix their priorities. Making priority choices is an essential skill to master if you're looking for a successful career and life. Focusing on specific tasks at certain times gives you an advantage, as it allows you to make the most out of every hour during the day. If you're struggling to identify what your priorities should be, ask yourself 3 questions. Is this task important or urgent? If it's important, accept that it might take a few hours or days, and if it's urgent, prioritize it immediately. Being smart about how you manage your time can help alleviate some of the pressure of being so busy by creating spaces in your calendar to manage urgent tasks effectively. 9. They disconnect. Fridays are the ultimate test for many of us, as we trudge through our last emails, projects or meetings with a sense of declining enthusiasm, only to be irreversibly distracted by thoughts of detachment. The experts agree that the best way to rid yourself of work-related stress and enjoy your weekend is to simply disconnect. The importance of true disconnection shouldn't be underestimated. Take time away from your phone and computer to truly get away from it all and leave the world of spreadsheets far behind you. By unplugging, you can take a few precious days and immerse yourself in whatever activities settle your mind and bring joy. Disconnecting should not just be reserved for weekends. Either scheduling regular breaks throughout the week will help reignite your workweek passion each Monday morning. 8. They pursue one or two passions. When it comes to achieving success, it pays to understand the value of pursuing one or two passions. Dwelling on multiple interests will inevitably make you disperse your energy in various directions and end up wasting valuable time that could be utilized to better focus on one field, which is the key to success. Smart people with a clear vision recognize this fact and channel all their energy and attention towards a single goal, hence why they tend to surpass expectations. It's time we understood that having an abundance of goals isn't inherently good, and only once we have a single direction can we truly get closer to our desired destination. 7. They optimize their mornings. Many successful people have figured out how to optimize their mornings by getting an early jump start on their tasks. Our minds are most creative first thing in the morning, so it's a great opportunity to use that extra burst of energy towards tackling the day's difficult problems. Not only will it save you time in the long run, but giving yourself this opportunity at the start of your day can sometimes lead to creative solutions or ideas you never would have thought possible before. As they say, the early bird gets the worm. So don't waste your precious hours every morning and take advantage of your brain's early morning phenomena. 6. Set smart goals. Setting smart goals is the surefire way to ensure success in any endeavor. Remember what the acronym stands for: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely goals. Utilizing these guidelines helps structure your path and focuses your attention towards your objectives. However, if you simply list goals without a clear plan for achieving them, you're not advancing yourself, you're wasting time. With baseless speculation, time is a precious commodity that cannot be replaced or recovered. Therefore, it is in your best interest to set smart goals that are achievable and rewarding. Doing so will teach you the essential skill of planning and could result in making your dreams into realities. 5. They discover their zone. It is essential to discover your zone if you are keen on improving your time management skills. Some people find that they can focus better with a little music in the background, while others may do best in complete silence. Some also prefer working during certain hours of the day, while others work better at night. A common trait among successful individuals is that they have taken the time to understand their personal preferences and learn to maximize their time by leveraging these zones when their focus and productivity is highest. By doing so, not only do they make effective use of the time available to them, but it also results in higher efficiency levels, which allows them to channel the resources saved into other pursuits. For they block distractions. It may be difficult, but it is necessary for everyone to find ways to block out the distracting calls of their phones. Unfortunately, this day and age finds us more attached than ever to our devices and more tempted than ever by the immediacy of its notifications. Therefore, we have to be conscious of what distractions are stealing time away from achieving our goals, such as finishing assignments for school or work projects. It's absolutely essential now more than ever that we actively take control in blocking the distractions from our phones before they take over. Once we can master and discipline ourselves in this area, our time management skills will skyrocket. 3. They don't multitask. Fun. Trying to be a jack of all trades is almost always a recipe for disaster, and recent Research proves that the truth is most people just shouldn't label themselves as multitaskers on their CV, if anything. It hemorrhages away their credibility. Multitasking simply isn't in our nature. In fact, statistics show that only 2% of people have the ability to perform multiple tasks simultaneously with success. All the rest of us are wasting our time trying to perform mundane, simultaneous tasks that end up producing subpar results. A better idea would be to dedicate a duration of time to one single task, complete it thoroughly and confidently, before moving on to something else. This is the best way to ensure an efficient workflow and productive output without compromising on quality. 2. They delegate. Delegating tasks doesn't mean you aren't capable of doing the job yourself. It's a great way of ensuring that you can manage your daily responsibilities in an effective manner instead of getting bogged down with details and minor chores. Having another person to shoulder the burden can help give you more time to focus on your major priorities. Taking this extra step may feel like a luxury, but really, it is essential for any manager looking to get ahead. Delegation is one of the key tools for managing stress and staying organized in any professional environment. 1. They know when to say no. People who do not know when to say no can often find themselves in difficult scenarios. They become easy targets for co-workers and superiors who use them to get tasks completed, whether it be fixing a copy machine or working overtime on weekends. There is a considerable amount of pressure placed on those who lack the ability to assert themselves, often resulting in feeling desperate and fearful. This undue stress can lead to exhaustion and long-term burnout, both emotionally and mentally. Knowing how to set boundaries and say no when necessary is an important skill that everyone should strive to develop. Saying no at the right time can be the difference between achieving success or losing control of your life completely. But wait, there's more. To thank you for sticking with us until the end of this video, and because we like saying thank you, here is a bonus. They take breaks. Everyone needs a break from the pressures of day-to-day life, and this is especially true for workaholics. Working too hard can lead to burnout, exhaustion, and physical ailments. The truth is that no matter how productive or ambitious you want to be, your body needs rest in order to stay healthy and continue functioning well. Taking breaks helps recharge your mental and physical batteries so that you can be energized when returning to work. In addition, taking brief pauses helps one gain perspective, develop new strategies and breathe fresh air into any project. Don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself permission to take a well-deserved break now and then. No matter what career or life path you choose, these simple steps can help set you up for success, so go ahead and give them a try. The results may surprise you. Happy managing. Hey, we're so glad you took the time out of your busy day to watch today's video. If it resonated with any part or all, don't forget to subscribe if this was something worth watching. We'll see you soon.